Greetings to all MUNers and those who want to learn a few basic things, or I should call the basic rubrics of traditional MUN model. The slide which you can see on the screens is basically a very simple and a comprehensive information which is very authentic as it is given by the United Nations Information Center for India and Bhutan. This is the traditional UN USA model in which the outflow and the flowchart of debate is mentioned in the easiest terms possible. However, whenever you go to an MUN conference, you will have people, you will have delegates of various experiences from various schools. Some might try to bring some hyped up procedures like a PSL, some might want a completely different way of running a debate which is not traditional UNA USA but is something which we call as an ad hoc committee. There are n number of ways in which a committee can be run, and if we actually keep on speaking about all those, we will reach nowhere. Let us talk about, therefore, the basic concept lying underneath Model United Nations and what is more important in an MUN. The very conception of an MUN was on the form was 70 years old and was on the basic thought that students be given an opportunity to learn what happens in the actual United Nations. Today, the sphere of MUN has also incorporated many other debating platforms, and therefore it is common to see in any interschool MUN non-conventional committees ranging from Indo-Pak China to a historic war cabinet to a historic security council to an international court of justice with special rights to a child rights commission, and the list goes on. However, speaking from experience, ladies and gentlemen, it is extremely important for you to realize you do not become a best delegate by flaunting and boasting about terms such as an additional method of debating. It is your content of your speech, it is the content of your debate, it is your diplomacy, your foreign policy, and your way of presenting and conducting yourself in this academic simulation, which is most important for you to win a best delegate award. However, I'll talk about awards and related concepts later. Today, my primary focus is to introduce you to the basic concept of Model UN and to take you through the flowchart. The given flowchart is also a bit technical, however, this is the only authentic one I could find on the net. And therefore, I will speak out not from this flowchart. I'll just be considering headings given in this flowchart, and I'll explain concepts in further detail as has been learned by me over the past 6-7 years, or I think now 8 years of my MUN experience. MUNers, you need to realize that mastering a skill of MUN requires a great deal of passion and loyalty. It is just not possible for you to go and sit in a conference and accept outstanding results to come your way if you're not well researched or you do not have the aptitude or capability to handle on-spot crisis. Without further ado, let us start about the flow of debate. As you all know, the United Nations has 6 primary organs. However, in today's day and age, there are many more subsidiary organs, special organs, which you do not need to know right now because you are at a very basic stage of learning rules of procedure. I will focus mainly on the General Assembly rules of procedure because every council has some deviation. However, if you know one basic rule of procedure of the basic committee, you can handle any variations afterwards. But make this your lifeline of procedures in any committee you go to, and you will never deviate from it.